සරාසඳේ ලියාගේ හිනේ What's up guys? So it's me Hashen. I know everybody knows me. So I will be performing on 24th of May in the Loyalian Motor March after party at Avendra Gardens Hotel. So the band is gonna be amazing millions as you all know. So මම හිතනවා එදාට හැමෝම අපිත් එක්ක join වෙයි කියලා අපේ ස්කූල් එකේ හිටපු past pupils ලා ඔක්කොමලම it is one of the biggest event that has ever happened in the Loyalian history. So please come join us. පළහැදින numbers වලට කතා කරලා tickets and all the details you guys can get to know. So see you guys on that day. තරු පායා තිබුණත් අහස පාළුවට ගින් නුඹත් යන්න ගිහින්වත් දෝ